Hey YouTube, what's up? Rewind back to April the 4th. We had a pretty severe wind warning from Toronto Police Services. Winds reached gusts of up to 9 kilometers an hour, and it did a fair bit of damage to the city. You can see me here driving on Kingston Road. Those flags are just going really at it. You got little bits of debris everywhere. The trees are in full swing. Even my car is getting tossed around a little bit. I mean, I'm being pushed off my lane a few times, and when it comes to a stop, my car is actually rocking. So the very next day, I took my drone up and I decided to inspect the roof. As I found, this is another great use for a drone. Now this is only the view from the back, which faces east. It didn't get a lot of wind from that direction. Most of the wind was from the west, so I went on the other side. And lo and behold, there's some damage. Mind you, my neighbors were lucky enough to not get any damage at all. Thankfully, there's only a few panels, though. And also, thankfully, we knew a guy who knows a guy. And $200 later, it was all fixed. Because even though we had nice weather here,
Manual recording.
there was rain, and there was rain. Oh my god. Well, thankfully Buzz had my back, so thanks, Buzz.
You're welcome.
No, that's nice.
Sleep driver.
What? See what?